Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of regex with some strings. So first of all we're going to import RE, which is regex. But before we start doing this, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting this channel. Okay, so I'm going to create a function first called enter string. Okay, so this is the first function. So entry here, we're going to get some input from the user, telling the user to enter a string or a word or whatever. So enter string. Okay. And now we're going to do a conditional. So if, not R, if RE, that's regex dot search, and we're going to do this little one here, R is going to be equal to A to Z. In the entry and RE dot search equal to R, and then a forward slash here and a D for a decimal for a number. In the entry and whoops, that's wrong, and we're looking for an underscore here in entry. So if there's any of these in the entry, so if there's a capital in the entry and a decimal in the entry and an underscore in the entry, I'm going to print the user a message. So print string contains upper numbers plus underscore. So we're going to tell the user we've got that in the string. Else we're going to do, let's have a look, print, so I have to tell the user string may not contain any of the above or some. Let's have a look. String doesn't contain these. Okay, now all we've got to do is call it. That's called enter string. Let's call it, let's test it out, shall we? So look what we're up to here, so let's save that. Let's run it. Enter string hello Joe. String doesn't contain these. Okay, let's enter the string with all of those in. Hello underscore 56. So we got the 6. Okay. Okay, let's try it with the other one. Let's try it with just one in there. Hello Joe. See what string doesn't contain these. Yeah, so the string has got to contain an uppercase letter, a digit, and an underscore. Okay, let's go on to the next one, shall we? Okay, so I'm just going to do it individually here. So just to show you, string 1. So new string. Let's say this is a new string. I'm going to put an underscore in there. Right, again, if re.search and to do A to Z again for uppercase. It's going to be new string print upper case in here. Okay, else print no upper case. Okay, let's just run that. That's going to be string 1. Let's just save it and we shall run it here. So no uppercase in there. So let's just do this. Let's just test that. Okay, run that. Uppercase in here. Okay, let's just change the flag a little bit. Let's just do this for, I think we'll do it for a digit. Okay, so digit there. Just change that a little bit. So that's going to be digit and digit. Digit and digit. Let's just run that. No digit. Okay, if we put 1 in. Wait, what have I done there? Save that, run it. Digit in here. Okay. And that's about it for this example. So make sure you copy this out, and what I would suggest you do is just try and modify it and see what works for you, and that will help you with your learning. So as always, thank you very much for watching the video, liking and subscribing, and I will catch you in another one. Bye-bye.